a boat that came in that was having some running issues, and we questioned what was in his tank, and he said, really, probably no water. It's good I keep it inside and anything. So anyway, that's 5 gallons. That's 10 gallons. We're going in on 15 gallons right there. Go ahead and pull a sample. I didn't. You get my social distancing pole? Thank you. I'm too close. Too close. But hold it out in the sun over this way. You can see that's full of water, just like the sample that's on my counter. So we're on 15 gallons, and you can see that sample right there. That only has just a thin layer of fuel on the top. So that's at least 4 gallons of water in that. And we'll keep on draining until we get a nice clean sample that comes out.